same truck from 163 going up north. I have been shutting down.
Yeah. Well, it's shutting down. It's snowing about halfway down the hill. Starting to get a little slushy, and all the way down the other side it's just raining. The other side of Laughlin, it's snowing at the top of that mountain. And Kingman, it's pretty nasty. Kingman on the flag.
But
it's feasible to get across right now, is it?
yeah, we can do it, driver. Just follow me.
Down there.
And around all the way, driver. Follow after me.
Nope.
Alright, get over to that little Chevron station over there. Give you the best way.
They come on, come on.
Alrighty, I appreciate it.
I'm down by now with that female bear, California bear with them.
Alright, just get up in that intersection, 95, 163.
But she sure didn't look good.
Damn, driver, you're lonely.
If you get the 163 about 1 mile past the interstate. Kids on the northbound side, they got the right idea. Have a snowball fight.
Getting down, look.
I got some syrup. I got some smoke on these pops out there in front of you.
They got a road shut down in front of you right there, wide load.
Okay, I appreciate that. I guess I'm kind of stuck here for a while.
Oh, yeah.
It's way pretty nasty.
Northbound. You can't go anywhere.
I got the road.
You walk, let you go.
Pretty intelligent on that, ain't you? I got some syrup.
Make a turn there, there's an officer sitting there, so I guess it's open and he'd be closing the road off.
It is closed going up north.
Close the road, going searchlight. There's no way to go until tomorrow. No store coming tonight.
They're not letting anybody go north up to Searchlight. Well, you ain't moving, aren't you?
Right there, downstairs kind of closed there. I think they have a bunch of people.
Going northbound. Shut down and search before searchlight. It's bad snow over there.
About any of the snow on that property.
Going anywhere down there? Yeah, there's no Brandon.
I look like I've been there.
Closed going north to Searchlight.
Elgo 163, no way.
I appreciate that.
Still snowing over there.
This one's the road down in the Laughlin.
Yeah.
Is there
It's bad.
the road shut down before we get there? 4, okay.
Hey, Vic, you can't go south. You don't know how I'm going to go back in.
You'll stand again. Is there standing again?
Go ahead. Keep going all the way 95 south. This is the best way.
Shut up, fool. I can keep across one. Damn, that's Las Vegas Metropolitan Police clear down here.
Oh, yeah. See, it's in California and Las Vegas here.
That's Laughlin Police, buddy. Oh, I damn sure said Las Vegas Metropolitan Police on that badge. Well, it's there. Damn, that'll be dead.
No way to go northbound going Las Vegas. Searchlight is shut down.
Shut up.
Someone let us go at.
They letting us go, 163?
163, top of the air, 5500 elevation, accumulating snow. It is
He's going the other way.
Well, I heard somebody say something about a snowplow rolling southbound. He might be coming down here to open up the northbound. Yeah, southbound lane is pretty good. He must be in front of us.
Alright, welcome to sunny California.
Welcome to the desert, California. Mojave Desert. Tonight, 12.
Container hauler turning on to 163, stay in that left lane. Looks like you got a big truck spun out about half a mile ahead of you there.
Putting to the Wither Channel. I was just listening to NOAA weather, and you're talking 4 to 6 inches in the Las Vegas Valley by the night. Shit. Yeah, you don't know how to...
It's been like that every day. They've been calling for snow in that under 2,000 foot elevation.
Oh, there just going east southbound, and that's just crossing the line. My wife's sitting on an airplane down there at the Las Vegas airport. They won't let it take off.
I am going to take John across down to Nevada.